because these people get crazy. Supposedly, a truck up here caught on fire. We're going to see if we can see it. But we got everybody on this radio just acting stupid. I don't know where it caught on fire at. I'm hoping it ain't my exit. Cause I gotta go pee. I gotta go pee and I'm stuck in backup. Come on, I'll be right here. What you got there, okay? Here's another idiot. For 20 minutes, all everybody been talking about is a truck caught on fire, and these fools keep saying, how far along is the construction up there? Ain't no construction. It's a truck on fire, stupid. Wow. Used to be a Walmart truck. Walmart won't be getting their delivery today. Well, they're getting mine. They ain't getting his. Holy shit. All that backup was for that right there. Alright, I'm shutting this thing off because I got to hurry to get to my exit and go pee before my legs catch on fire.